This could be the car for you. The 2019 Honda CR-V. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps, satellite radio. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.